Hello everyone. Thank you for choosing the production of Sinovision Technologies, Beijing Co. Limited. Today I will show you the fat function. The complications of obesity such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease are serious diseases that harm human health. And it has become an urgent task to carry out in-depth research on obesity complications. Quantitative measurement of adipose tissue is an important part in the study of obesity complications. It has great significance for understanding normal fat distribution, fat redistribution in pathological conditions, the relationship between obesity, metabolic endocrine disorders and cardiovascular complications. CT has the advantages of high density resolution, accurate localization and quantification, high repeatability, safety and convenience. It is simple and effective to measure body fat. CT is a more directly measurement method, which can accurately quantify obesity, fat volume, especially regional fat volume. Now I will introduce and demonstrate the procedure of fat analysis. Selecting a patient in PM2 analysis, and then choosing the abdomen scan sequence in sequence list. Right-click to find Add Process in the drop-down menu. Then select the fat analysis to enter the fat analysis interface. You can also enter the fat analysis interface by selecting the fat icon from the function panel in the lower right corner. In fat analysis interface, left area is the view area. You can see the automatically generated fat quantifications results on axial window. Dragging the slider in right side to browsing images on 2D axial window. 2D icon in the left lower corner of axial window. Right-click to switch the display mode 2D MIP AIP MINIP WW WL icon in the right lower corner. Left-click icons to manual edit WW and WL. On MIP view, the slab thickness, WW and WL icons show in the right lower corner. Left-click icons to manual edit them. The bottom of interface includes PM2D analysis, film, report, QR, cloud. Left-click to switch. You can switch MPA, 3D, VE in analysis. The right area is function operation panel. Patient information shows on the top of panel. Below it is post-processing plugin. And the general function on the bottom of panel. The middle part is fat analysis tools. Fat analysis tools consists of single layer and multi-layer modes. Clicking single layer mode in axial window shows fat quantification results. That is the fat area of navel layer. The system will automatically identify the navel layer and calculated the fat area in this layer. After switching to the multi-layer mode, in the axial window shows fat quantification results. That is the fat area. In coronal window and sagittal window show the fat thickness and default thickness is 4 cm. Switching to single layer mode. Below it is threshold setting. You can manual set the minimum or maximum fat CT threshold. Inputting the CT threshold. And then press Enter key. Or clicking Re-extract button to re-extraction and calculation the fat. Clicking multi-layer mode. There are set start position and set end position icons below the threshold setting. You can measure the fat area of ROI by adjusting start and end interval setting. Operation adjusting red positioning line to new start position in coronal or sagittal window. Then click Set Start Position. A pop-up box shows whether to extract multi-layer fat according to the latest setting range. Clicking Yes. Adjusting red positioning line to end position by the same way. Clicking Yes. The system will re-extract the fat area of new area. Switching to single layer mode. Relocate measuring fat area to different layer. Clicking Relocate button. Adjusting the location of red positioning line in coronal or sagittal window. And click Re-extract button. The fat quantification results of new layer will shows in axial window. Clear button means clear the measuring results of current layer. Tissue list in the tissue list. You can see the subcutaneous fat SF and visceral fat VF are automatic segmented by software and display as the highlighted blue and green. By the same time, the relevant area displays in the right side. Below it is the opacity sliding block. You can adjust the pseudo-color transmittance of subcutaneous and visceral fat by sliding the block. Edit tools of subcutaneous fat. Interior and exterior mean you can edit the inside and outside contours of subcutaneous fat. The edit tools are consisted of Draw Contours Semi-Automatical and Draw Contours Manual. Now I will demonstrate the using way of two tools. Firstly, you can edit the outside contours. Clicking Exterior and then clicking Draw Contours Semi-Automatical. Putting mouse pointer to outer edge. And then single-click left mouse. The system can auto-identify a part of outer contour and display as red line. You can print the outer contour by clicking left mouse step by step until the joint of outer contour to click right mouse for ending. If there are any error, you can edit the contour by moving the yellow points to right position. Secondly, you can edit the inside contour. Clicking Interior and then clicking Draw Contours Semi-Automatical. Pressing left mouse to print the inside contour until the ending. You can release the left mouse. If there are any error, you can edit the contour by moving the red points on yellow line to right position. You have to click Ray Extract after editing the inside and outside contours. When you want to measure the editing layer fat, set weight and height button. When you clicking it, the patient information editing box will display in the left side. Entering the height, weight and gender. Then clicking OK. The BMI will be display. Set parameters. There is a default parameter. If you want to add a new parameter, you can click Add button in the parameters setting bar. And then a pop-up box of Create parameters will display in the left side. You can edit the name, standard VFA, standard BMI ranges, and standard of male waistline and female waistline. Then click OK. Now new parameter will displays in the list. You can also select Edit, delete or set as default parameters above the list. Overlay. The four-corner information is weather display in the window. Linkage. It can control the operation of WL and zoom operation in 3-window or weather linkage. Fat information. The fat quantification result is weather display in the view window. Contour. The contour of subcutaneous fat is weather display. If you want to save the images or fat quantification results, you can click Save button in the right lower corner. According to the pop-up box, you can select Save images to database, Save screen to database or Save screen to local. Then it can be saved. Clicking Send to Report button. The structural formula report will be generated. This is including patient information, key screenshot, fat quantification result, and it will generate a conclusion according to the fat quantification result. Notice this conclusion is for reference only and should not be used as a basis for clinical diagnosis. And then click Save Report. After saving report, you can browse the generated report by clicking right mouse in PM to select View Report in the drop-down menu. You can also to print report. That's all operation about fat analysis. Thank you for listening.